Set to the track, technical director for the J3As, Maurice Wilson, is anticipating good all-round performances from Jamaican athletes at the upcoming World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. In our World Championships preview this evening, Wilson says the sprints, relays and some field events should account for Jamaica's top performances.
Jamaica could have a chance to medal on the very first day of the 19th World Athletics Championships if they advance to the final of the 4x400 meter mixed relay on August 19. However, J3's technical director Maurice Wilson says there's one issue for Jamaica to fine-tune in this event.
For example, to say that you should be able to run a relay leg, one relay leg, and come back and run your individual event 2 or 3 days after. That is not something that we can enforce as a management team or as a technical team, but a coach can look at the prospects of their individual athletes and make that kind of decision. Most times, if that decision is made, I believe that we should be able to medal. The target this year is to medal in all 5 relays. And I think that we're going to elevate the level of communication between the coaches to look at the options in using maybe 1 or 2 out of the top 3, 4 or 5 to run on the mixed relay.
Wilson also added that the coaching staff could now possibly have more options when putting together the team for the mixed mile relay.
I think we have a reasonably strong relay team, 4x100 meter relay team. And we should do well in the other relays. For example, the mixed relays. We have seen where a number of the 400 meter hurdlers who didn't make it in the flat 400 meter hurdles decided to run the 400, and I think that is good news because we know that they would have natural strength, and that should help in their 400 relay running. And they are also good relay runners too.
On the female side, Wilson says the prospects are looking good in the field.
I would not want to limit it to the sprints because we do have, for example, in the horizontal jumps, in the shot put, where we have athletes would have distinguished themselves. And so I think right across the board, our options are good. And when you look at when you make the comparison to some of our major competitors and the performances coming out from their trials, it seems as if we're in a good position to do well.
The World Athletics Championships will run from August 19 to 27 in Budapest, Hungary, with live and exclusive coverage on TVJ and the TVJ Sports Network. There will also be coverage on onespotmedia.com in Jamaica only and on radio via Hits 92 FM. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.